Yo, what's up guys? Maglalaro tayo ngayon ng Verity. Let's go! Okay. Tayo sa una. Okay, sa first lang. Okay, day 0, day 0. Go! Pagpatuloy na lang. Okay, tara na. Okay, tara. Yeah. I'm starving. I need to go. Huh? Go downstairs, okay? Ito na bata lahat. Ito kasi ito guys. Sorry guys, malakas ang ulan dito sa amin guys. Low. Look, an apple. An apple, I forget it here on the table pala. So, isip ko na lang babasahin. Kumbaga, five bathroom. Ano ba mag-sunday bathroom? Yeah. Okay. Sa taas. Diba ako ngayon? Lakas ang ulan guys. Kumbaga, malakas dito ang ulan. Narinig naman lang guys. Uy, tapos na oh. Answer the door. Okay. Dito may nagkakatok. Ay. Kala ko kung ano.
Hello, I'm Barry, your personal friend. Ask me anything. I know everything. If you have any questions, I will answer them.
Answering them. Think what, Ethan, severity. How do you know that? Go to the city market. Oh, that's good. Since you're here, wanna come with me? Oh, lakas ng ulan! Oh, flip. Sure. Pwede ba kita sakyan? Pwede ba ito sakyan, guys? Ayan. Gulong ka na lang sa market, ah. Go. Ito nga magsulog sa akin, lyrics. Pero hindi ka nung kasulog. So guys, may surkan. Lakas na ulan, guys. Sorry. Hindi ako makarecord na maayos, guys. So... Magkakaya tayo, guys. Kung magkakaya. Guys. By the way, since we're going to the market, what do you... I like eating donut. A donut, the market, I will buy one for you. Oh, plate. Si Baconair. Yan na. Oh, blip. Why are you dying? Oh, blip. Okay, donut. Look, I found great donut. Now, first I need to pay. Go to the market. Okay na. Hello, good evening. Just this donut? Yes, just okay.
Hello, I'm Barry, your personal helper friend.
Your personal
Ask me
help.
anything. I know everything. If you have any questions, I will answer them.
Yung bato na mais, guys. Wait, guys, wait. Just wait. Yun, naghina na rin, guys. Okay. Nagalit niya siya. Ayan na, guys. Tara. Why? Okay. Okay. Pwede naman makalit dito. Okay na. Okay. Nagbago ang kanyang mukha. Oh.
Nasa pa ba kayo mga gamit kanina?
Good. Okay, tara na. Magbibili pa ako prutas. Ay, hindi na pala. Betty, where are you going? Oh, flip. Hello, man. Let me steal. Uy. Huwag nyo gagayaan yung guys, ha. Pag nahuli kayo, guys. Wala na.
Why are you running?
Pretty. Oh, flip. Let me steal this. Apo, ay! Kumukulali niya. Let me steal this all. Nagagayaan yung guys. Kumaga bad yun. Okay. Let me steal this all. Oh! Wee! Hey! Yan. Ito ang technique, guys. Kaya hindi kayo magulo-gulo na, guys. O na, let's go. Converting. Converting. Wala na. Oh, flip. Hindi kaya kinain ni Verity yun. Huwag naman sana. Tinakasan natin, guys. Kumaga tinakasan natin ang manubi ng takas, guys. Gumano, no? Uy. Ay. Sige, Verity Bell. Pala agad, Verity. Kita papapasukan sa bahay ko! Ayun. Go to sleep. Okay. Go to sleep. Okay na yan. Oops. Can you hear me? Yes. Good. Do you trust me? No. It makes no difference. Do you want to see something? Yes. Yes tayo, guys. Right. Will you remember this? What? No. You will remember? Oh! Naalala ko na. Oh, flip. Oh, flip. Nagising tuloy ako. Matulog ka ulit. What is the noise? What is that noise? Ha? What? Investigate the... Magtago tayo dito, guys. Kumaga dito tayo natago. Nakaganyan tayo, guys. So, yeah. Tapos tumago tayo ng ganyan, Yan. Tago tayo ganyan. Ay! Kumaga dito na, diba si Verity. What the noise? Di ko kasi marinig kasi malakas ang ulan dito sa amin. Saka wala akong headphone. Oh, flip. Si Verity. Woo! Come in, you can stay. coming here. Did you know everything I'm going back to sleep. Good luck. Back to sleep. Go back to sleep. Hoy, wag ka magsunod sa akin. Ay, ilalagay ko dito sa toilet. Ilalagay kita talaga dito sa toilet. Verity. Ay, bakit ako na-computer? Maglalaro ba ako? Oh, flip. Okay na. Oh, flip. Nandito na si Verity. Verity, why are you here?
Something is coming in 3 days.
Yun, naririnig ko na, guys. Naririnig ko na. Wait lang, guys, ha. Wait lang, guys, ha. Papalakasan ko na yung volume. Para narinig ko. Something. Dito natin ito yung okay. House safe. Make the house safe. Flip. Ay, hindi. Paano makita yun? Wala, hindi ko na nakita, guys. Oh. Oh, no! Magchachap-chap pa ako ng puno. Oh! This is chap. Ay. Look, like that's here. Let me follow this. Let me follow this. Wala dyan, dirty, papalo. Oh! Okay. Makes sense. Okay. Who did it to him? Virtue. Oh, flip. Kailangan na natin unahan si Virtue. Let me fix this electrical. Okay then. Ano ba gagawin, guys? Mag-alis na talaga tayo. Punta tayo sa... Tayo. Dito na tayo, guys. Kailangan na natin daw bilisan sa delivery. Let me buy. Ang bagay. Okay, with this one to work. Sir! Oh, para staying around here. Okay. What are these here? A smell sound near here, everyone is okay. Guys! Bakit ang bakal ko na magbasa, guys? Wala na kasi, guys! Ay. Are there anyone there? Ano? These... When you sleep work, remember, at night we close, okay? Hindi ba natin? Puli natin baril nila. Aliman. Kailangan ko kasi ito eh. Ayan. Pumunta tayo sa market. Pumunta tayo sa market. Pumunta tayo sa market. Oh, flip meeting. Dahil kay Verity yan. Ano ba pwede mabili dito, guys? Pwede ka ba dali ka? Yesterday, I saw you running in from... What happened? Some crazy guys start running up in... And come here for... What food do you have? Oh, well, I have not. It's great. Yeah, okay. Pero na ako. Sige, thank you. Salamat sa'yo. Oh, bless. Verity. Kailangan na natin magpunta sa... Oh. Verity. Natin. Go. Very key, very key. Oh! Oh! Ah, ah. Paano tayo OA? I need to sleep. Sumability. Ay, kinain. Wala to. 2 days left. Don't dare you. Don't dare you. Let me work. Let me work. Oh, shit. What is this here? Sige natin taguan ito. Sige natin taguan yan. Basta pwede natin taguan ito. Yan, ito na. Flip. Yung plate ko walang laman. Flip. Flip. Oh! Hello, hello, officer. Hello, officer. Good morning. Are you alone? Yes. We're looking for a man. A fruit near. Did you see him yesterday? Yes. Yesterday I bought fruit from him. Be careful, people. Ah, near and nearby. Stay inside night if you hear something at the door. Thank you, officer. Basta ako magtatrabaho ako dito sa aking work. Ma-work. Ma-work. Oh, there's no one. One here. $8. $34. $34. 2 days left, guys. 2 days left tayo. Let me go to the shop. 1 p.m. in the morning. Morning. My God. Okay, laptop up tayo, guys. Oh, no! Ano to? Oh, flip. Agan! Want some money? Haka. Haka. Let me try. Let me see kung may tao. Wala, kasi wala talaga tayo Roblox. Okay, di natin mabili. Hi. Subscribe nyo ako, guys. Subscribe tayo, guys. Dapat na natin ang 100 subscribers. Yay. Salamat sa inyo, guys, ha. Thank you. Let me go at the hole for a year. Oh. Hello. Shortcut. Okay, let me go to sleep. Oh, shortcut. Let me put this in the page. Yeah. Tingnan naman. Ito ko na yun. Oh, shop. Games. Oh! Games agad. Shop. $3. More money. Alarm. $30. So, kailangan pala natin dito guys, magkita tayo ng ano, makakita tayo ng pera. Kita natin yan. Enough money. Pera ko. $10. So, let me go to the sleep. And let me, kailangan ko na lang mag-work. Para, guys, kailangan na natin magtrabaho guys. Gastador kasi tayo guys eh. Kumbaga, ginastos natin. Ginastos. Dati natin ginagastos guys. Let me work. Dali. Wala tayong sasayaang oras. Okay? Let me. Thank you. Let me work. Dapat tayo ayong pera. Dahil kailangan natin mag-work. Para makabili tayo nun. Yung pala guys. Sa computer pala makakabili. Okay, alam ko na.
So guys, balikan ko kayo pag gabi na guys.
Guys, gabi na guys. Ayun ko na mag-work. Kumbaga, may joke kasi yun. One day less na lang. Bertie. Wait me, Bertie. Wait me. Lock the door. Turn to my phone. Let but this. Place the original door with catch this. Wala. Sabit mo na rin. So may 35, ano pa tayo guys? Mamaya ka na matulog. Basta na. I think, yeah. Yan. Ganun guys. Let me see. Abot pa ako bukas. Kailangan ko magano. Today. Okay. Maghintay ka, Bertie. Matatapos din na tayo nito. Ay, may tawa pa. Ano may tawa? So guys, may padlock na tong doors natin. Ayan, may padlock na yan. Pinadlock na natin ito. Kailangan natin magtrabaho ngayon. May dalawang inventory na tayo. Mapapadali na lang ito guys. Ano guys? Okay. Diba? Tatakbo tayo. Magbibili na lang tayo pagkain mamaya. Madali na lang ito guys. Para sa akin. Yun yung inventory natin. Dalawa na eh. Not bad. Ho, yun. 42. Kaya, ano? Ngayon na kasi yung nag-atake. Si Bertie. Sayang ko yung dalawang araw. So guys. Hindi kasi alam eh. So. So yan. Yan. Oh, yun. Kapag kaya tayo 200 dito guys. 200. Okay yun pag 200. Abot yata to guys. 200. No? Okay, may walang dito po tayo. Hanggang kailan? Hanggang ilan kaya abot dito guys? Let me see. Tayo papalampas. Alas 3. Alas uuwi na tayo guys. Alas 3 ng hapon. Oh yeah. Dito agad tayo. May pambili tayo pagkain. PM na. Kailangan guys, bago magkano 4 or 5, kasi magkapamili pa tayo guys. Kaya, ano tayo guys? Magano tayo. Yan, 2 PM. Guys, nasa kamay ko. Ba't pa ba? Na-stress guys, hindi na tayo guys. Magkano dito? Oh! Ba't ba? Tara na. Kailangan na natin makauwi, guys. Ay, wait lang. Mamimili. Ay, last na to, guys. The last. Hindi pa nakuha. Ang bagal, eh. Wait na, kasi ako yung mabagal na ako. Yun, may 1 tayo, guys. So, kailangan na natin bilis. Mamadali ako, guys. Ay. Bilis. Wait. Okay, bye. 1. Let me go up. Pasta. Okay. Bertie, huwag kang traitor. Oh, it's just 100. Not enough money. Flip, guys. Kino lang tayo. Talo yata tayo, guys, ah. You betrayed me. Let me go at my... Yeah, guys. Sayang natin ang ating 2 days. Bakit natin nasayang ang 2 days natin camera? Let me see. Okay. Uplit. Nagulat ako, guys. Uplit. Tumali ka sa banyo. Uplit. Oh, no. My car. There. Find the thing. Baga nagulat ako, guys. Sinalubong tayo harap-harapan. No, I'm kidding. No, I'm kidding. At so, kung nag-enjoy kayo, huwag niyong kalimutan mag-like and subscribe. Click nyo na rin yung notification bell para ma-notif kayo sa mga bagong video. Kung gusto niyo ng part 2, tatapusin ko to. Comment lang kayo, guys. So, paalam.